Hello viewer, we have taken that type of the layer. We'll decrease the size of remover tool. We can create the different sizes, shapes. So as you can see, it's looking fascinating with it. We can write anything. So we can create any shape or a design. So it's looking fascinating to cut out that layer and create a design. So there we have. That's the design we have generated here. We can change the layer style using all these styles here.